Looking for studs in all the wrong places. After investigating over 28 of the best stud finders on the market, we compared the top 5 models side by side. We tested for accuracy, ease of use, and features, both in isolated tests, as well as while working on home projects, to get a feel of their real-world performance. Read on to see our detailed results and find what works best for you. Whether you're hanging a mirror or remodeling your entire kitchen, we know home projects can be fun, but they can also be stressful, and after the 5th trip to the hardware store, the last thing you want to worry about is comparing all the competing products on the market. Our tool reviews can help suss out the differences between the best drills, the best cordless circular saws, the best impact drivers, and more. There are numerous options for cheap best stud finder, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best stud finder from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Bosch GMS 120 Digital Multi-Scanner. The Bosch Digital Multi-Scanner GMS 120 is a powerhouse of a wall scanner. It has 3 modes: wood, metal, and electrical power, and is quite accurate with all 3. In addition to the 3 scan modes, the Bosch has a center finder for studs, a magnetic sensor to show screws and other metal, and a ring that changes color, depending on how close you are to the material you're seeking. The light-up ring changes from green, no stud sensed, to yellow, close, to red, directly on top of a stud. The ring is also hollow, allowing accurate marks right in the center of the sensor. For bonus points, the ring is wide enough to accept a permanent marker, if that's your writing implement of choice. We appreciated not having to hold any buttons down to use it. Number 2. Most intuitive stud finder. Franklin Sensors ProSensor T13. The Franklin Sensors ProSensor T13 proved to be reliable and accurate in our tests, as well as one of the easiest to use. Instead of a screen that lights up when over a stud or stud edge, the ProSensor has a bar of lights that shine when directly over a stud or object. To avoid near misses, the lights always air on the inside of a stud. We loved that it shows the entire stud as well as the center marking in a single view, which could help when there are non-standard sized studs behind the sheetrock. It also has a level, a ruler, and a straight edge to make accurate marks on the wall. Of all the stud finders that we tested, this was the one we went back to after testing was over to complete our home projects. Number 3. Hanson 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder. Despite the various technological advancements of density scanning that many wall scanners use, there is nothing more reliable than a magnet finding a screw holding the sheetrock to the stud. That's why the Hanson 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder is great. Magnets don't get false readings, nor do they have a hard time differentiating between different materials. Either it is steel or it isn't. Magnets work great with sheetrock, and they work even better with plaster and lathe walls, as many older buildings have. The Hanson model also comes with a level, which allows you to ensure its point on the bottom is facing plumb straight down. Number 4. Tavool Wall Scanner Stud Finder. This wall scanner has 4 scanning modes designed to find studs, metals, and live cables at shallow, medium, and deep depths. This allows you to pinpoint the exact placement of items behind your walls. It comes in a sleek silver finish, but is offered in multiple colors. Customers said that the Tavool Stud Finder wall scanner was easy to use with its easy-to-read screen and easy-to-navigate mode controls. Many reviewers also said that it worked well on a variety of surfaces, ranging from sheetrock to lath and plaster. Number 5. The StudBuddy Magnetic Stud Finder. This simple stud finder uses a powerful magnet instead of battery-powered sensors to identify studs. The magnet's plastic casing is easy to hold and won't mar or scratch the surface of the wall. Since it has no batteries or moving parts, the stud finder is always ready to use. They stated that it was lightweight and easy to use and yielded reliable and consistent results. However, some reviewers complained that the stud finder was only able to identify the location of metal screws and nails rather than the studs themselves. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.